This is focaccia, a versatile bread eaten all over Italy. Its origins come from the region Liguria, northwest of Italy. Focaccia consistency is soft inside and slightly crispy outside. It can be eaten sweet or savory. Or you can try how the Ligure people does, dipped in their cappuccino. I'm gonna start by measuring a 1/4 cup of water plus 1 tablespoon. Then in a bowl I am going to measure 3 cups of bread flour. I'm gonna add to the flour 1 teaspoon of salt, and I will mix the salt into the flour right away. This will allow the yeast to actually raise because it's not gonna meet the salt right away. To the water I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm gonna mix them together. And the water needs to be room temperature. Then I'm gonna add 1½ teaspoon of yeast, and I will mix this together too. I'm gonna add 1/2 tablespoon of honey, and I'm gonna mix it in. I'm gonna add the wet ingredients into the flour, and I will start to create a dough. It's gonna be quite sticky, but don't be alarmed. The more you work it, the better it's gonna get. Work the dough for about 3 to 5 minutes by hand, or if you want you can use a mixer if it's more comfortable for you. This type of dough needs a lot of hydration, so keep working it even if it's sticky. Folding the dough will help to develop the gluten. Cover the bowl with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Place the dough inside and then cover with plastic film. Place a towel on top and let it proof inside of a cold oven with the light on for 4 hours. In a glass pan, add a 1/4 cup of olive oil and then try to distribute it all over. Grab the dough that by now should have doubled his volume, deflated it, and then place it in the glass pan. Gently start stretching it, and don't be worried if you don't cover all the pan. It's going to proof again, so don't be worried. You can stretch it a little bit just to extend it, but even if it doesn't cover all the pan, it's not a big deal because it's gonna proof for other 2 hours. Now it's gonna be the same process as the first proof. Cover with plastic film, then with a kitchen towel, and this time let it proof for 2 hours on a cold oven with the light on. As you can see, the dough doubled its volume. Now I'm gonna make a mixture of water, oil, and salt, and this is gonna go on top of the dough. It's gonna give like some crispiness and an extra boost of flavor. Gently distribute the mixture all over the dough surface, and then with your fingers make the typical focaccia dents. And I cook it at 400 for 35 minutes. And here is your golden focaccia. You can stuff it with your favorite fillings, either if they are sweet or savory. For the savory, I use pepperoni and mozzarella, and for the sweet, I use strawberry jam and Nutella. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.